Hello, good morning or good afternoon, I have to say, because I started painting with the membrane, the waterproof membrane at 8 and it's 2 already, so it's 6 hours that I am painting non-stop, but I'm really happy with the result. What I am doing right now is to apply, maybe you can see it better here, is 2 layers of membrane, waterproofing membrane for the bathroom. This is usually applied in this area only, which is the shower area. But I decided to apply it in the whole bathroom. It's a membrane which is called Acqua Stop from the company Mapei. If you're in Europe, it is an Italian company. And now I am going to apply a second layer on top of that of this other product, which is called Sika Elastic, which is not especially for bathroom, but which is for water exposed surfaces. So I think this is gonna provide even a third thicker layer of protection, and I guess my bathroom will be totally fine against humidity.